Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. Nicole Snees, evening. Lazial Bani, Rendel Jan. Yahya Mohammed, salam. Katie Stuurban. Nicholas Martin. Jabu Ranchi. Lamarco Mitchell. Josh Ruder. Or Josh Road. Or Josh Rodey. Rinaldo Francis. Mario Smith. Vaarlike DJ daar, joh. Kansel Ashley. Gaan dit daar nie George? Sy my kop is blink geskeer, ja. Hulle is so jaloers op mense glare hare, so mense moet maskeer, joh. Hulle toer sommer mens, maar ons glare hare het. Kennis gesond. Lucille Kode. Rafael Duran. Cheslin Gibbs. Alberto Persperto Thompson. Adriano Thompson. Kenlin Dinepe Sanderson. Lily Du Plessis. Andrika Diamond. Usipile Ellen Kumalo. Unjani. Eletsang Mudisana Wamurwana. Kom op Patriots, kom op Patriots. Kom op Patriots. Kom op. We having an important live tonight. Let me just get this message. I got it. Shanaz Smith, Koekoes van den Juffer, Blanche Garcia, Amanda Kleinboy, Edred Marit, Hazel Klassen, Pamela Jacobs, Faithy Irwin, Francis Adams, Lloyd de Vries, Milton Yankees, Nathaniel Reuters, Geraldine Valtuin, Liam Jacobs, Matilda Cochrane, as a gevaarlike lawyer in America, Johnny Cochrane. So Matilda Cochrane, Leticia Wanza, Lideratika Tagodin. Good evening. Salam. Bra H. Bartman, Chantal Shani Coulter, Donovan Clement West, Stephen van Rooyen, Moira Joseph, Trevor Kara, Sipenati Mseleni, Jonathan Olaine, Natasha Erison, Councillor Marilyn Smouser, Colin Nomdo, Sarah Dido, Tonita Stevens, Lebutau, Malvery Francis, Valencia Oosthuizen, Ricardo Martins, Rashad Zaffer, Warren Roman, Johan Wessels, Francis Adams, Gabriel Goliath, Paul G. Jacobs, dankie Pastor. Carlo Klaassen, June Thomas, Antoinette Thurston Adams, Bishop Duarte, Wendell Nimrod, Emron Igor, Winnie John Moses, Denver Jonkerman, Heinrich Lewis, Ruben Wallenberg. Ruben, how's it going with your daughter? She wasn't well last, if I remember. Natasha Neetling, Pastor Francisco Tejada, Samantha Satisfied, Winnie June van Hesekwas is binne, Floni Mahapani, Maria Opperman Hoorniet, Edward Savage, Dion Mandeka, Cecil van Syfer, salam, 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 salam. Jacqueline Erison Nimmerhout, Brendan Oostenwald, Bernardo Maralak, Carmen Pelay, Dennis Taps King, Richard Assagai, Samantha Peterson, Keegan Bergman. Let's just watch the game, Keegan. We're not going to talk about that now. Vinaf, Ludwig Ontong, President of Music, Natasha Gibbs Brown, Life with CJ, Giovanni Frisken, Wewe Norris, Dwayne Graaf, Chantal Kenzie McKenzie, Kansler Isma Steenkamp, Raquel van Rijn, Rose Couscous, Lynette Gosling, Frank Andrew Pieterse, Christabel Hendricks, dankie Christabel Hendricks, of Christabel Hendricks, ek dink dan Constabel, Christabel Hendricks, Angelique Batsis, Rosalind Tate, Milton Jansen, Jankies, Keierleier, Jay Jojiro, Damens, Reino Ferndale, Rendel Witboy, en Dwasu Victor, Aubrey Botha, Moira Joseph, Nicolino Ryan, Clifton Barnes, gesien, Crystal January, Merlin Arthur Grootboom, Lorraine Arnolds, Dalian Bartman, Carmen Pelay, Davids, Alicia en Nicholas Beyers, Wendell sê die feit is in vir Josh Bay. Brad King, Errol Job, Lizelle Bani, Elroy Halgrein, Winston Lewis, Harold Fredericks, Rendel Omian, Peter Dennis, let me just get this for you. Jody Peterson, Yvonne Lowe, Shemaine Katz, Raven Penny, Marius Brandon, Demon, Jeremy van Rooyen, Leonie Adams, Gareth Brown, Adriano Thompson, Suzanne Jansen, Christo Pitetana, Stanley Hendricks, Ronald Platjes, Petra Barrett, Gavin Daniels, Bevan Fortuin, Davy Bykies, Arndt CJ, Shaline Jansen, Verona Marcus, Christine Blichnout, Timothy Lategan, Enzo Jacobs, nou Enzo Jacobus, Azar Goliath, Ellen Wilfred Williams, Lali Tromp, Divan Duran Kleinboy, Chief Kleinboy, Shamaine Verlander, Randall Adams, Mafuta James, Manette, KB Stevens. Guys, I'm starting at 700. Romeo George, Aldous is binne, Reginald Jacobs. John Gous, Arthur Miller, Sharifa, soon to be married op 'n ry. Ja, die invite is uit, mense. I got the invite. Sharifa, hulle morsie tyd hier, jong. As nou dag verloof is sommer marriage. Mense morsie weer tyd hier, jong. Ja, dat net toch klomp kinders ook maak, ons soek hy votes. Sharon Post, Kevin Williams, Sarin Swart, Michael Hart, Charlotte Geldenhuis, Elena Kutsia Hendricks, Jonathan Williams, Ryan Zaleski. Ek sien so baie dia mense hier, ek weet nie wat soek die mense nie. It's a little party, don't you have a party where you can listen to your leader? Where you can listen to your leader? Why are you here with us? I mean, don't you guys have lives? Or what is that thing you try to do to copy our lives? What was it? Podcast. How's the podcast going? Lots of stuff. Leave us alone. Guys, let me start right away. Got lots of work tonight. Firstly, it's a new year. I'm very excited for this year. I've never been so excited for a year like I am for this one. It's election year. So, let's make the most of it. And the first thing I want to say is that we have lost a lot of patriots throughout the festive season. And I want you guys to understand that death is never easy, and it's something we will never get used to. We'll never get used to death, and because we are family in the PA, it touches us in a very, very special way. But I want to talk to you tonight about a few issues. But before I do that, I also need to tell you that, you know, we've really got good people in the PA. I was speaking to the SG earlier, and she was just informing me that Councillor Rita is undergoing chemo. But the only thing Councillor Rita said to her was, and I'll make you two examples of people for me that really touched me so deeply. The only thing that Councillor Rita apparently said to the SG, not apparently, she told the SG, sy het nog 'n pot kom maak Ek moet die chemo doen en ek moet nog 'n pot kom maak vir die mense. Now that shows you what type of a person or what type of people do we have in the PA. Somebody is getting chemo. Maar hulle wou report wat hulle mense believe it or the pot that they wanted to do for the people while they are undergoing chemotherapy. So please keep Councillor Rita in your prayers. I spoke earlier was Tim. He's coming on very nicely. I also want to say to the Saptus, Leader Donovan lost his mom. But I tell you what's so wonderful about that family. I spoke to the wife, and she was still, she's going through that where she lost her mom-in-law, but still capturing. And we're not asking people to do this. It's just who they are. They don't, you can't, if you are faking something. So to those people, I want to say to you, thank you for you are the roots of this party. And I want to talk to you about grace today. You know, people don't understand grace. Grace is the fact that me and you are talking to each other now. That's grace. So many people didn't make it through this year, through last year. So many people didn't. They are not in a position. They're at the graveyard now, or they're in ICU. You and me are here today. That's grace. Grace is not nice cars. Grace is not having lots of money. Grace is exactly what's happening right now. That me and you, and I don't understand people. You know, I read people say to me that, ooh, Father, you can accuse me of many things, but not that. I am a testimony. Wat praat jy? Jy gaan nog 'n testimony word en ek bid dat jy 'n testimony word. But you see, what I'm saying to you is that God, die Here laat hom in hom speel, man. God doesn't allow you to play with him because we serve a jealous God. So the grace over my life should not bother you, because I'm praying for grace over everybody's life, because I know what a good thing it is to be under the grace. So what I want to speak to you about today when I talk about grace is the root. You see, when you look at the flower, you see the flower. You see the beauty of the flower, but you don't see the root that's in the grond in nie. You're not hearing me. I want to talk about the PA through grace and the root. When you look at the flower, a beautiful flower, you see the leaves, you see the beauty of the flower, but what you do not see sometimes, you don't see the root, die in die grond, op die grond, the one that's there where there's dirt. But you see, the most important thing I heard somebody said to me one day was, when you fall in love with a flower, you better make sure that you fall in love with the roots, or you must be rooted in deep, because autumn, there'll be nothing left to love of that flower. But if you understand the root, if you're part of the root, and that's why it's so easy for some of the people to just leave the Patriotic Alliance. It's so easy for them to leave the PA when autumn arrives, because they're not part of the root. They're not part of the root of the PA. Because autumn, the root is still standing, but the flower, the leaves are withering. So you need to understand that summer it will be nice again. But when you love something, you shouldn't just love the leaves and the beauty of it. You should love and be part of the roots of it. the roots of it. Die roots is op die grond. Die roots is in die grond. So that's so easy. So some of us, we understand when it doesn't feel nice to do door to door, when it doesn't feel nice to be on the grond, when people hurt you in the PA, if you understand the root of the PA, the root, if you understand the root, not the nice times when we are celebrating and we've won and it's like, ek paisani, ek is 'n mens vas. At times, we all love it. But you must love it foundationally. That's when you'll understand what are we busy here with. Somebody asked me, Dad, I said, yes, my baby girl, my daughter. She asked me, Dad, we're in Dubai on holiday. She's like, Dad, doesn't it hurt you when people talk about, like somebody just talk about me at school and I go for them? I said, you shouldn't go for them. She's like, why? Why are they talking about me, Dad? I said, come here, my baby girl. Let me teach you something. It's an honor when people gossip about you. And today I saw my daughter wrote it down in a room. I said, it's an honor when people leave. We all have problems. But when people leave their problems to gossip about your problems, it's an honor for a person to leave their own problems, because all of us got problems, to discuss your problems. My daughter said, wow, Dad, I never look at it that way. I said, for a person to not worry about their own problems and be disturbed by your life and to advertise your problems and not advertise their own problems, it's an honor. So today I want to say to you that I am not the PA. I'm part of the root. If you look at the root, if you look at the roots of a tree, it's not one root. There are multiple roots. All you need to do as a member of the Patriotic Alliance is to be part of the root of the PA. Once you are, but if you are part of the leaves, jy's net daar work, skoene, maar ons doen door to door. O, pres kom, jy's besig met make-up, ek kom. Jy's niks uit te waai. You don't care about the door to door. You just there when you hear I'm coming. You're the leaves. Any leaves, I'm not done with this example. The leaves, nie is a sterk wind, not even a strong wind, but any wind can get rid of you. But the roots die with a tree. I saw once a storm. I was watching, I think it was Hurricane Melissa. That's what it was called. Hurricane Melissa. And I saw a tree in the water on TV. And I saw the roots. That tree was taken out by the hurricane. But the roots was still with the tree. And I know the roots that remained behind, that was not on the tree, that didn't die with the tree, hulle gaan weer die ding bore. So tonight, you need to make a conscious decision. Is ek deel van die wortels, or is ek deel van die blare? Blare ons replace vir jou elke dag, but you cannot replace a root. If I say to Mbiza, you must leave the PA, he will tell me I will not leave. I will not leave. If I say to many people here, you must leave the PA, he says I will not leave. Because I'm not stupid. I will not tell him to leave because he's a root. So some of you, oh praise, ek wil maar liewer te los. Jy's 'n blaar. Jy word gewaai. Everything that is not anchored in the foundation, you will never. Do you know how many times I've been asked to form forces with other parties, to leave the party? You know, I'll make you an example with Noel Constable, who had become very dear friend to me. Noel Constable, I approached him, I said, Noel, I really would like, are you going to compete in the national elections? He said, I would have, but now that you are standing for leadership, I must support you. I'm going to talk to my people and I'll come back to you. And he came back, and the evening I thought about it, I went to Noel, I said, hey Noel, I don't think you should really support me. What if you go back and your people, he says, President, say Paisa. Ek sê, how so? He says, my mense van KDF, hulle harte klop so toef, 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 katoef, katoef, katoef. Hulle is geanker. Hulle weet. And for me, that was such a profound thing. And now I see he's campaigning. We're going to compete against him. Ons moet ram om te slap. But the fact that he understood. Now, when I heard they make this accusation against Kenny Kunene that he's a mafia and he's what, I knew that's not true. In fact, I told News 24, I said, if me and Kenny is in a room and the police come and they find the body there, chances are that ek het hy geslat, not Kenny. Because I know his heart, he loves people. Like, he's not a violent guy. But that's why I could vouch for him. I could testify. And never did you see when I said to him, I'm removing you as the deputy president. I'm removing you. Did you see he got angry with me? In that time I was accused of racism. He was the first one to defend me. So some of you need to find a home. I will never leave the PA for any other party. My job as the leader of the PA and the NEC leaders, ons bouleiers, I look at the leaders that we are building, Sharifa and them, I look at Leify and them, I look at Bailey and them, I look at Liam and them, I look at Ombiza and them, I look at Kabelo and them, Jody and them. Like, I can go on and on and on, Dean and them. These are leaders that we have built. Wat môre die party moet kom oorvat. You know, Bradley and them was once involved in a fight in the PA. And we had a meeting. I didn't even know it was Bradley's office. I was shouting them like I've never shouted people in the PA. Bradley and them just apologized and he kept on working because he's a root of the PA. But he's a blarkie. So do not compare yourself to Blar if you are root. You can share the life. People ask, can you share the life? Share the life. So tonight I felt I must talk about the grace of being a root. It is an honor to be foundationally involved in this project. Get your foundation right in anything. My friendship with the DP started in jail. But the foundation of our friendship, he will never betray me. And that's why I was saying that I will resign if they don't install him. I'm trying to get a point through tonight to the patriots here. that if you are a true patriot, this is your year. But if you are not, this is hier, die wind gaan vir jou wegwaai. Stories gaan vir jou wegwaai. Skinnery gaan vir jou wegwaai. Accusations against me, false accusations, gaan vir jou wegwaai. False accusations against the leadership gaan vir jou wegwaai. That is my message to you today. Be a root. Then you know, some of you know, listening to this live now, some of you know, there's nothing that will take you away from the Patriotic Alliance. Some, you know, I come from the corporate world. And to have 4,000% growth, 4,000% growth. People call me every day, we want a job. Let's see us on the grond. They press where you want to meet with you. People of PA know exactly where I am when I'm out of the country. PA people will know. PA people will know. Those ones will call me. Can we meet you tomorrow? That shows me already. Kyk is die lifey. They see we grond. So we are your slaves. We must work for you. You're doing nothing for the PA, but you're number one, wanting opportunities from the PA. Nee, gaat soon toe. Stand it. The PA. People here are working for the PA. So the PA can change their lives. So if you want the PA to change your life, you must work for the PA to change your life. They don't respect us. You know, tomorrow I'm going to the office. And tonight I sent a message to the people. I said, tomorrow morning when you're in the office, you must call welcome. There's a pool that you guys need to fix. What they did to those kids, Vicky tried there to fight. Vigor tried to fight, but he couldn't. It's not sustainable. So we have to step in as national government. So why was that possible for me to make such a call? Because we have political power. I see somebody thinks they still PA, and you criticize the PA on Facebook. You know, there's no PA, there's still a PA. That you criticize this party. Because this party is our future. If you have something to say, you will say it in a meeting. You will not go and tell the whole world. You know? And I want to address that today. Some of you, the DA hit us with your own in the ANC, with the messages you write about this party. Stop saying you're PA. You guys are not PA. There's no real PA that will come on Facebook and talk nonsense about the PA or about members and mention members by name. If you are not a leader, leaders can call out people. You have structures where you can sit and call him out in the meeting. Some of you think this party will not survive without you. This party will survive without me. This party will survive without Gayton. If God calls me home now, as a groot head office may roep, do you think this party will die? So wie is Jay halve blaar? Jy's a halve blaar wat so ongeskik is met die ander patriots. You're not even a fool. Jy sien die blaar wat nog hang nie. Jy's daar by grond, jy het klaar geval. Net die son was te warm toe val jy. Jy's 'n blaar wat vlug geval het. I have seen people come, I've seen people go. But today we're standing on 4,000%. Do you know why? Because there's people that died with this t-shirt on. There's people that didn't wear this t-shirt when they died. Then their families call me and ask, can we bury him in PA? So you must distinguish yourself. If there's a problem, in the PA. You go to that person and you confront that person. Hoekom maak jy so? Why are you doing this to our beloved PA? Confront the person. Some person asked me for a picture. I was pissed. I was pissed. Some person asked me for a picture. And this person says to this auntie, the other way, nee, wag, laat pres bietjie rus. Sal ek geen eens vir pres kansie. Ek sê, kykie, jy doen nie daai nie. You don't do that. Jy het nou gemaak om jou kind 'n foto vat. Why didn't I rest when I took your child a picture? Come, mommy. Kom sommer, kom sit daar langs aan my. Kom walk die langs aan my. Toe loop by ouma saam met die hele tyd. Don't speak to PA people in a fashion that you think you pick them up in a dustbin. Nobody is lastig in die PA. I don't go to Facebook and go and say that person's name. I call that person out immediately. If you see somebody, you are owner of this party, if you see somebody doing something wrong, dan roep jy vir hom. Halve blaartjie, kom gou hierso. Don't do that. Nou pres, julle luister, we know what. Bly net stil. Because 4,000% is the growth of this party. You think we came here because we are... Some of you, you make these people relevant. You make these people relevant. These people are nothing without the name Gayton. Their currency is Gayton. The currency is PA. That makes them relevant. You know, I'll tell you something that I learned in marketing. Let's take Messi and Ronaldo. There's something called ambush marketing. Ambush marketing. Let me tell you how it works. Companies will go and take a nobody like Gayton, like a nobody like me, in the soccer field. And they will say, we're sponsoring Gayton McKenzie for $1 million. I think I'm the shirt now. I'm getting sponsored by $1 million. But all they ask you one thing, they're like, Gayton, when Messi has the ball, go and try to take that ball. They just need the picture with me and Messi. When they have that picture, they then say, what cellular, what company it is. Messi can't do nothing to them because they are actually showing their client, which is me, which is a nobody. So those people, their currency is only Gayton. But we're going to show you how we deal with them. You see now they write satire. Why do they write satire before they post? They've been advised. All of them are doing it. It's too late. I want to show you how you make an example with a stupid. I will show you how to watch this movie. That's all I'm saying to you. Watch this movie. Don't let them derail you. They've charged me for many things in my life, accused me of many things in my life. But I kept on building the PA, kept on building the PA, kept on building the PA. They said I took bicycles back from the children. That was a lie. Every time before election, there's a story about me. That was a lie. Because, what's his name? He's a smart guy. You can see he's been around. I wouldn't say smart, a wily old cat. Trollop. He realized it was sliced. Then he apologized quickly. While we're still busy with the paperwork, he apologized. Because he's a wily old cat. He knew what was coming. Now the lawyers told him, you must say satire. Guys, the day we go to court, I want all of you to tune in. We are even going to apply for a life in court. Die jaar leer ons vir hulle lesse wat hulle nooit sal verstaan nie. I'm telling you now, the PA is job creation for lots of colored people in the DA. The DA is fighting. You will never see Marlon, our national chair, or Chanel, our secretary general, or the TG take me to court or to the public protector, or I take them to the public protector. What type of party is the? What type of party is that? John Steenhuisen is being taken to the public protector by George. Oukamp is taking George as fina fetle, as a poikie koza. Wat nou gebeur? They are going for elections in April. As a movie, as war. Die PA praat van war. Daar's war daar. As oorlog. Hier is lyn nie, die PA. We've got line. Our leaders respect each other. We are having great respect for each other. We are debating, we are fighting behind closed doors. When we come out with one message. The DA's got war. You imagine you take your leader to the public protector and then the old minister wants to, George is taking, Oukamp is taking George, George is taking John. Mense, jy sal nooit duiding sien in die PA nie. I'm saying to you, don't underestimate the unity in this party. I just needed to come with those points that you know. We are a family. Then we're going to discuss the war strategy. Not on this live, unfortunately. We're going to have LGE Samacoms. When I mean a Samacoms or Samcoms, we're all getting together. The mayors will get together, the candidate councillors will get together, the candidate mayors will come together, the acting councillors will together. We will meet with the different ward structures so that while they are fighting at the DA, we are organizing. So we're going to press on your number. We're going to press on your number. Terwyl die poikie gifkos aangaan na, the poison poikie, we are organizing ourselves for 2026. I hear people are saying, yeah, PA would do well, but they don't have the D's money. Who says so? Don't talk things you don't know. It's a brood for a brood, the election. So don't come with things you don't know nothing about. This election is war. We are taking the Western Cape. We are taking the Western Cape. We are taking the Northern Cape. We have to go for the Eastern Cape. Gauteng coalition. KZN coalition. Those places we can, Northwest coalition, Free State coalition. But those three, we have to do something. That's what I want to say to you tonight. It's going to be war. We are preparing. And from George, Patriots, I saw a Patriot was telling me, Praise, I want to meet with you immediately after George. The Patriots asked for a meeting. And she says, immediately after George, I said, nee, Mesa. You're not going home after George. Ons hulle gat Bonnievale toe. Julle gaan na die ander by-elections toe. There's no time to play. By-elections closing in April. By-elections, is closing in April. Let's make sure we are ready. It's war. This is not the time to stand and argue and ginegap and gossip and complain. No, and pointing out mistakes. This is not the time. This is not the time. You mustn't let people make you feel guilty. People will send messages like, oh yeah, you didn't answer, I'm no longer voting for the PA. Whoop! When you vote, gaan. Oh, Press, I spoke to the people in Nelson Mandela Bay. They're not helping. I'm not going to vote anymore. Jy is so nooit vir ons gevoted, jy is maar 'n slang. So los ons maar af. Gaan vote vir jou mense wat vir jou vir 30 jaar gehelp het. Don't let them blackmail you. Oh, you're not answering my call. I'm not going to vote for the PA anymore. Go vote for the one that has been helping you 100% for 30 years. We are never going to be blackmailed by people. We are not the government in certain areas. Sports, you can complain about me. If we have a mayor, you can complain about that mayor. But you are there in a place where PA is not in power. The poor PA people must now be blamed for your problems. Don't let them do that to you. I'm telling you today, some of them even send a message, I'm not going to vote anymore for you guys because I send a message, we are not your secretary. Your secretary must answer you immediately. We've got a list of people. And they can say what they like. Let me tell you, you must never allow. This is not arrogance. It is facts. Because some of you are being ill-treated by people with the fact that ons gaan die press sê, sy gaat vir my niks sê nie. The people are working hard of the PA. The people are working very, very, very hard in the PA. They can't do everything. They want to take power so that they can start doing everything. But to swear people, to insult people of the PA because your problem has not been sorted out. Maar jy het vinger op die lip gesit vir 30 jaar. No. The PA people, let me tell you, Christmas, those people were running around. We're going to embarrass the DA so much with this Jocelyn thing. I can tell you now. Because we are launching it on my birthday weekend. Because I want to bring, I've never done anything for my mother, honor for my mom, for giving birth to me. And I want to use something close to my heart like the foundation. So you are going to see, so let them go on. The people will see who's my birthday is around the corner, 10 March. So what's happening that weekend, the mayor of Saldanha and the SG will run the full program. They will give the details. I will ask if you can that weekend. There will be a concert. There will be a launch. It's over 2 days. If you can come, I would really appreciate it. There will be food. There will be drinks. If you can come the weekend of my birthday to Saldanha, I would really, really appreciate it. So that you can be part of the launch. A lot of things are going to be announced there. I'm not the only speaker. The main speaker is the head of the private detectives that did the Jocelyn investigation. He will speak there. They said, yeah, why don't you take it to the local police? The same police that spoke nonsense about us in the trial. The same police that couldn't arrest Ayanda. I must go there. The same police that wrote to the end to the prosecutor to charge me. I must go there. Mal. You can see on Worsely. I'm going to see the minister when I meet with him. He was on holiday. As soon as he comes back, I will connect him with the private detectives. That's what I'm going to do. Imagine, that policeman was testifying about me in court, that I was a hindrance. But everybody that has been found guilty has been brought by us to them. Now I must go to the same man. Do you think I'm stupid? I'm going to his big boss and say, meet with the private detectives. So I'm telling you now, I'm giving you enough time. If you can spend that weekend with us, Chantel Tejada will give you guys the details. If you can spend that weekend with us in Saldanha, I will be there the whole weekend. There will be a concert on the Sunday and the Saturday. Saturday there will be a concert. Sunday daar gaat 'n groot diens is. Wat 2 pastore gaat ran, Pastor Leo and Prof. Don Mini, soon to be married. En Matla oefens aan die familie. We're going to have that service. Big things are going to be spoken there. Yeah, who's busy controlling my life, even putting it on mute? Yeah, the things I see with my phones. So, just if you can, please be there. It will mean a lot to me. Everybody must arrange their own transport. We're not going to pay for transport to get people there because then we must pay for all the PA members. But if you can be there, I'm asking people to open their houses because I'm there the whole weekend. I'm asking people to open their houses for people. It's going to be a very special weekend. We will have speakers there that you'll hear how far the Jocelyn investigation is. Because we never gave up. In fact, one of the detectives was paid from the foundation already. And he will talk about it. When he was paid to do some work, he was sent somewhere. The foundation paid him to go there. But we're officially launching it. So you can see now you saw, they're now busy with the mic of the life. People can't share the life. People are busy. But don't worry. Ospaizani. Our IT people expected stuff like that. So I just needed to tell you about the Jocelyn weekend. That weekend, we're going to have a big prayer Saturday. The Saturday there will be a concert with rappers and Medusa Goetele and Ludo Goetele and the different rappers that I like. I love those rappers. And they will be there. Sunday, daar was Biki. Ons gaan bietjie Pinkster hou, ons gaan bietjie Jabula. So that weekend is being set out for thing. There will be a big cake, and everybody will get cake. But please, it's something that I ask. I would really love Patriots to be there. The program, the SG will lead the program. She will tell us what's happening in the DSG. They will lead the program. If you can't be there, don't worry. There will be lives happening. Somebody says I'm being hacked. I've been hacked for the past 5 years. People are getting messages from my phone. People are even getting my face like this, asking them for money. I see people sending people messages. That's all amazing. What trou gevra was. There's my. She even came to ask me for the ring. Ek wil nie lag nie, maar you know the things they do with my phones. It's insane, eh? Then let me move to the next point. We spoke about the issue of. So Saturday there will be a whole. When we launch, after the launch, there will be a party. There will be a party after the launch, and we're first launching the foundation. Then there's a party. We're having a concert, and then Sondag oggend gaan ons na al die kerke toe in Saldanha, all the churches. After those churches, we then go to the concert, and after the concert 6 o'clock, we gaan ons almal huis toe. Maar die ding kom ruk, die beeste kom val. So it's over my birthday weekend. So just so you know, let the media write what they write. It will be over my birthday weekend. You'll see. I don't want to say what's going to happen there, but you'll see. Then, Patriots, I want to give you a small example here to say clean your block strategy. What does that mean? You need to follow the clean your block. So many of you say, no, die mense werkie van PAP is not here. When you are there, PA is there. When you see problems, you need to sort it out in your block. When we say clean your block, we mean, maak maar net jou hoekie reg. Maak maar net jou hoekie reg. Your block. Where you are, just fix there. Fix the PA where you stay. Don't fix the PA there in Joburg or there or have something to say. Clean your block. Fix your block. If there's no PA, make sure in your block, maak julle blokke reg, mense. We are going to the local government election. Fix your block. Fix your block. Fix your block. Where it is more members, sy kan nie ander straat gaan opteken, maar jou straat is nog nie opgeteken nie. Stop this thing where people tell you, you can't campaign in my area. I am telling you as the president of the Patriotic Alliance, jy kan in Kokama gaan ding, solang jy eers jou blok reg gemaak het. Once your block is fine, you can come in my street. You can come and campaign here in my street. You can, I haven't signed up the neighbors here next to me. You can come and sign them up if you know them. I'm just waiting to meet them at the gate. Gaan ek hulle opteken. Start in your street, start in your block. Start in your block. After that, nobody must tell you what you want in my area. What's the area? So I want you to fix your block, sign up your block. Make sure where you are is groen, is grasgroen rondom you. So it's fix your block time. Los, ander mense is 'n blokker, jou blok nog nie gefix is nie. Where you are, you must fix your block. So, you know, I meet people that tells me, hey, Minister, we're going to vote for your party. Why? That work. I'm like, why are you voting for my party? Minister, the way you are treating us, we must vote for the PA. That is the attitude. We don't force people because you are the boss, they must vote for you. People must decide on their own, I want to vote for this guy. Fix your block. There's some guys that work with me, they're like, we'll never leave the ANC. And I respect that because they are cement fast in their party. So fix your block. Once your block is fixed, jy kan gaan opteken daar naby die hemel ook. Daar langs aan die hel, jy kan gaan opteken. People must want to join the PA because of your conduct. And you must love your ward. You must love your block. So now it's fix your block. This is the year of the table in the PA. We're going to come with our own table. We're going to turn the tables on them. We're going to sit at our table. But this election, kom vat ons block for block. Man, you mustn't worry about what people say. Just go fix block for block. We're going to have a big meeting with the Youth League. Gonna go away with them. With the Women's League. We're gonna be everywhere with the Veterans League. Just fix your block. Gaat maak vrede. If you took somebody's husband, vat hy hom terug. Gaan maak vrede. Vrede, peace. Fix your block. And when your block is fixed, you can go anywhere in South Africa. Nobody must tell you, what do you want in my ward? Your ward, wag, staan soon toe. Jou behalwe blaar. Then, why are we the fastest growing political party? Because we're delivering services to our people. Do you know how you know two people, one is successful, one is unsuccessful? You know what is the world standard to see who's the successful one without knowing them? I'm going to repeat that, so you need to pay attention. Do you know what is the universal standard to see who's successful and who's not successful? The one that talks about the other one, the one that gets talked about is the successful one. The one doing the talking is the unsuccessful one. That's the universal standard where you see they talk about Coca-Cola, other drinks. Then you must know Coca-Cola is a successful one. In your life, when they start talking about you, and success is not money. Don't confuse success with money. I know very rich people that is not successful in the minister. So when people talk about you, you must, if there's two people in a room, the successful one is the one that gets spoken about. Gossip makes people comfortable to talk about people that will not even greet them in real life. Gossip makes people comfortable to talk about people that they might never speak to in real life. I'm going to repeat that. Gossip makes people comfortable because in real life they can't speak to you. You have nothing in common. But the only thing that connect your name with their name is when they gossip about your name. If you didn't get that, I don't know. And that's why we're the fastest growing political party. All eyes are on us. Everybody's looking at us. It's Gaten die hele dag. PA the whole day. You know, there was a by-election in Mossel Bay. I'll never forget that. I wasn't part of the by-election. Alzan and them were working there, and Carlo and them. So I called Carlo. I said, Carlo, why is my name in this by-election? Every day is just Gaten. The guy that spoke about me, you know, he got like, I think, 45 votes, that party. Instead, dat hulle van Shorty praat. Shorty was our councillor candidate. Praat hulle van Gaten. They don't talk about Shorty. They speak about Gaten. And Mossel Bay, when the result came out, they got 45 votes. That happens. When you are Gaten obsessed and your eye is not on the prize, they should have worried about Shorty. They should have worried about Shorty, but they worried about Gaten. I'm not part of the by-election. I'm not standing in this election. But they worried about me. Mosselbaai taught me that thing. When they were Gaten every day, Shorty and Elzaan and Carlo and them, hulle het aangegaan met die werk. When the result came out, I think we got like 1,200 and they got 45. But you go and see, they spoke about Gaten the whole day, all day, every day. That's not politics. That's not how you do politics. I have people now that recently joined the PA, and you have people that recently joined the PA. They said they only joined because these guys with the DA spoke about us. They were not really aware of us. And they went to go check. They're like, but these people are good people. Let's join. So when people talk about you, they bring people to you. So these people, and people can think for themselves. You have people like Liam and you have people like Liam and Stamhof and them. These were people that were told, say this about Gaten. But then because they are smart, the time came when they go like, but why should we do this against our own? Why should we do this against our own? What you never saw you never saw Donaldo Bantam spoke about other candidates when I was in Mosselbaai. They just concentrate on the PA people. You never saw Carlo do that. You never saw Elzaan do that. You never saw Shorty do. So I'm just trying to open your eyes to say, die mense het there's Dennis Williams telling me as for the 2 votes press, but if hulle beer vote gee nie. So what I'm trying to say to you is that, guys, just when Stamhof and Liam and them were pressurized to speak about us, because they're smart, they came to a point like, but why must I do this? And you see, the people that never, for me, it's always so funny when I look at Stamhof's poster. He posts, soos my oma sal sê, my oma so gesê, he posts net so hy gat smak. And I'll never stop him. Because the people that's trying to stop him are the people that said nothing when he said those things about us. But today, those people are saying, oh, Stamhof, ons weet nie, ons het nie weet so nie. And some of the DA people that post against them, against us, against, it's not hulle moet die medium wys, hulle is nie saam met Stamhof goed hulle nie. So the people are going through trouble. While people are fighting for positions in the conference coming, these ones must be busy fighting us here because the madam, they are not in line for positions. Now, people become comfortable. And my message to you today is, when you make them say, Pres, you must tell this one to stop, except for niemand om te stop hier. Hou die PA uit jou bek uit, en dan gaat jy lekker, what you call it? If you keep the PA out of your mouth, you will have a very, 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 very great, peaceful time. But once you invoke the name of the PA, once you invoke the name of the PA, and if somebody doesn't join the PA and they join another party, that's not your business. As long as you are fine by your party. They're going to try everything. Somebody came to me today, he sent me a long message, somebody was very close to. They joined a certain party here in Joburg. The person asked me if he can come back to the PA. I said, what happened? He's like, I don't know, how could I have been so stupid to leave the PA? And the same person that made me leave the PA is now joining forces with another party. So julle word gevat deur mense. People are taking you from the PA. Then those people get taken by other people, then you are high and dry. But because ons is family, come I used to you. I said I'm going to answer you on the live. Come home, we are waiting for you. This is your home. You were just misled. So you mustn't. Do you know people like Stamwolf and them, how brave, and Liam and them? Do you know how many DA people approached me to join the PA? Then we, last minute, like, yeah, hou bietjie vas, hou bietjie vas. Hulle is op my in. Like, I'll not expose you, don't worry. But they're so scared. Stamwolf called. Hy staan se men vas. Liam called. Hulle het nooit gesê, hey, Teresa called. Hulle het nie gebuis dat hy mense nie. But there's others. They call as Eugene, as the SG, last minute. You know, there's one that came 5 times, the SG says, I don't want, the SG is not even answering his calls from George. Every time they drop a contract for him, nee, wag, hou net vas. Jy kan nie so bang is vir wat mense nie, bas. Die boer is op my. Hulle het my gesê, jy beter jou plek ken, boetie. Now, that's why with me, Stamwolf and them, I've got respect for them. Teresa and them, Marcel and them. Because they made up their minds. They prayed about it. I remember it was Marcel. He did something so wonderful. He says to me, him and Stamwolf, they both said to me, Stamwolf said, let me speak to my family tonight. I'm coming, but I want to speak to my, salute. So, I want to speak to my, he said, I want to speak to, no, Stamwolf said, I need to speak to my king, the Khoisan king. Then I'll give you a final answer. Teresa said, dat ek met my man praat. We still make jokes, me and him, about lekker warm. Guys, I'll tell you a story about this guy. Thing's husband. So we speak over the phone, but it's like Donovan set up the call. But we speak on the phone. So, I'm listening to Teresa saying, this is the first time me speaking to Teresa. All the stories about her was not true. So, I'm like saying, no, please, man, join us. Please, Teresa. Join us. We want you to be part of us. And she said, I've got friends of mine that I respect. Can you speak at 9 o'clock the evening? So 9 o'clock, we are calling again. They was listen to this. And we said, all right, we'll finalize tomorrow. She wanted her husband to be there. She wanted her husband to be there. And no, she wanted to speak to her husband. So we speak, and the husband is on the phone. So as we speak, the husband says, no, it's a great honor meeting you, Press, Teresa's husband. Yeah, we'll negotiate tomorrow. Maar jy moet so lank lekker vet aansmeer. So I'm laughing because I remember my uncle used to say that, like, was die lekker vet? When we want to come and get a hiding, they'll say, die lekker vet. So I said, no, it's fine. I will see you guys tomorrow evening. So then there was a function in Neisner. I was speaking with the Deputy President, Paul Machatile, at this function. There's a lot of people there. So as I walk out, I just hear somebody say in my ear, ek hoop jy die lekker vet aangesmeer. I got such a shock because, yeah, I burst out laughing after getting this shock because it's only me and I'm the only one that knows about lekker vet. And they're like, ek hoop jy die lekker vet aangesmeer, soos ek vir jou gevra het. Ek sê, oh, you Teresa's husband. Hy sê, het jy die lekker vet aangesmeer. Ek sê, oh, this is the guy. And we start laughing. And Never did they hesitate, that family of Teresa. The Sabtus has never demanded anything from me. They were helping to build the PA there in George. What the Sabtus has done in building George, you know, today Derek Peterson was telling me how they used to help. The Sabtus is the reason why Good did so well in George. He was telling me about Rosalind and what he used to do, and for things. We were just chatting about the Sabtus, and Derek Peterson was telling me, and I want to say to all of you, you don't know the role some people play in the party. This is not a Gaten or Mbiza or Liam or a Chanel or Misei party. This is almost a party. PA is part of our lives. I saw now, here's thing just posted now. Tanal is saying she's busy loading a bakkie. She always loads a bakkie. Never asked me for petrol money, never asked me for nothing. And she and her daughters has worked for this party. But I'm trying to tell you, there's so many people making extreme sacrifices for this party. Extreme sacrifices. People make big sacrifices. Big sacrifices. Big sacrifices. Then, lastly, I'm going to mix these two things. Guys, you must understand, politics, the DA and the ANC just made you vote. That's all they made you to vote at the years. But you didn't know what you voted for because you didn't get the benefits of voting. You didn't get the benefits of voting. Where they tar the road is because of politics. Which road needs to be tarred? Politics decide that. Which street lights needs to... You know, the worst part for me was during the election, during COVID, I used to work in El Dorado Park in Reveille. And there was never electricity there. But where I stayed in Sanders, there was always electricity. So politics decided where to switch off and where to switch on during load shedding. Politics decide which areas should have load shedding, which areas shouldn't have load shedding. Politics decide where your kid goes to school. Politics decide the price of bread. Politics decide where development happen. Politics decide the salary people get, what's the minimum wage people get. So don't take politics for nothing. This is our biggest war. They say every generation must find its generational mission. It was thing that said it. I'm going to check now. Can't get to me. But one of the leaders once said, did he say the youth or every generation must find its generational mission? We have found our generational mission. We have found our generational mission. Everything about our lives is politics. Everything about our lives is politics. So, don't just be a voter. Politics create jobs. Politics create opportunities. Be involved in politics. We know what we are doing. We know what we are doing. And I want to make you an example that I made in thing. During the Holocaust, when 6 million Jews were killed by Hitler and his people, it is wrong to say Hitler killed all the Jews. He couldn't have killed all the Jews by himself. He gave the instruction. But he had help from the Gestapo, the police, the German police. But also, there were Jewish people that sold out other Jewish people. They called them the Kepo. They would be the ones lying to other Jewish people. There's a big debate happening in the world to say, were they forced, should they be forgiven, should they have a place of honor? But in every revolution, there's a capo. In every struggle, there's capos. People that sell out their own. They might not go to the extent of the Holocaust. But even today, we have people working with the people that wants to evict our people. They want to block our people's electricity. Those are the capos, or the present-day capos. There are people that stands with the people that oppresses our people. Thanks, Chet. Yeah, it was Frantz Fanon. No, not Frantz Phantom. It was Frantz Fanon. His name is Fanon. Yes, he said, find your generational mission. When the ANC was fighting for liberation with the PAC, there were Askaris in the ANC that killed. Even we have Askaris today in our communities. So you have a destiny, and your destiny and my destiny has met here the PA. Don't betray your destiny. PA is not your destiny, no. It's just here where our destinies converge in order for us to go our different destinies. A destiny cannot be stopped by people. A destiny is a covenant between your mother and the Lord when you were born, when you were still in the womb of your mother. There was a covenant between your mom and Jesus. That destiny, that's your destiny. That destiny, no man can stop what God has blessed. So don't listen to people. People talk about me. My destiny was never to be in jail all my life. My destiny was to go places and be somebody in life. And look at me today. But this was not my making. It was the making of my mom and the Lord when He made me. The plans that He had for me was plans not to harm me, but plans to prosper me. And there's some people, there are good people that said the DA. There's some people that's good people that's in the ANC. At MK, they are not Askaris. They are not sellouts. All they need is education from us. All we need is education. You mustn't think anybody at the DA is an enemy. Anybody in the ANC, because if you think that, how will you get them over? People have choices. And your job, through your actions as a PA, you are the Askari. If your actions doesn't show the DA person as to why is it they should join the PA. Then you are the Askari in the PA. Your actions should encourage other people to want to be part of this batch. The Lord has plans to prosper you and never to harm you. So where you see us all being family, all being together here, it is not your doing or my doing. It's our destinies meeting here for a certain plan that God and your mother that God has already promised your mom. I think it's Jeremiah 29. Yes, Jeremiah 29:11. Somebody just posted it. So I'm saying to you, you are a destiny changer. What do I mean with that? You will change the destinies of your family, of your children, your nageslag. So when you're at the PA, now comes here, your destiny brought you here, but you're fighting against your destiny. You cannot do that to yourself. Mense, Don't take this thing easy of the PA. This thing is going to change. It's going to bring white, black, Indian color together. It's going to have one nation. We are not going to look at each other as white or black or colored or Indian. Children, you know, I was at the airport. I see this couple. I'm actually going to post that post now. I see this couple. I'm walking with Shona. So I see this couple. They want to come to me. I can see them. I don't know how to approach me. So I walk to them. And the child was like, it's like, yeah, what a booty. It's like, yeah, get my muscles. And it was so beautiful that children are born so pure. We are the ones that is condemning them and putting things that we are better than other people while we are the same. So I was attacked when I said we should. I never said we should. People made the oath on December 16. I was saying find a way to include. God loves inclusivity. I never said, but yeah, the media ran and said, I don't want white people to do their oath again. Nkosi Sikelel was a prayer done by black people and colored people and Indian people. It was a prayer. Before political meetings, that was a prayer. Our national anthem is a prayer. That prayer was a prayer that was sacred. But look at what black people, the black government did. They said, let's include the STEM in that prayer. So we must never, you can hate me, but we must never have only white people that side and only black people this side, only colored people this side. I will fight against that. We must find ways that brings us closer, not ways that keeps us apart from each other. The oath that white people made on December 16, Voortrekker Day, is very important to them. But I'm saying the word of the Lord is saying that where there's unity, I shall command a blessing. Let's have unity. Now they say, Mackenzie doesn't want us to, because a racist always look for stuff of a black people that must offend him. I can never say that. I know how important that oath is. But I'm the minister of social cohesion. I must find ways to get us together. As black people, in the parliament, we're going to put a thing now on Biza. We are going to sponsor a motion that people cannot sit down when part of our national anthem is being sung. EFF is sitting down and MK when they sing the national anthem. It cannot be. You cannot. They just sing the Nkosi Sikelel part. But you don't sing the STEM part. It is wrong. So I can never. I love Afrikaners. I can never say. So I let people just go crazy and talk whatever they talk. The media. All I was saying is that we must not be apart. And if you are a white person and you don't want to be with black people, and you are a closet racist. You are a racist that's in denial. If it was 40,000 white people alone there without black people, I am saying, let us come together as South Africans. What is wrong with that? I've never said you mustn't have this oath that you've made. But I said, let us look for stuff. You know what happened? Let me show you. The Freedom Front, not free, it's a Freedom Front, no, it was AfriForum applied. I want to show you just the double standards. AfriForum applied to the Freedom Park Museum. So before they applied, the ANC had a function there at Freedom Park Museum. Then 10,000 Afrikaners applied to go to Freedom Park. And they were told no. The leadership there said no. We will not give you permission to come here. I was sick like a dog that time. I just called and I said, listen to me and listen to me very nicely. You will give those people permission. I made sure I go there. And 10,000 Afrikaners went there to Freedom Park. because you cannot give the ANC, but you don't want to give AfriForum. So I've got white family. I've got black family. All I want is for us to come together. So there's a lot of noise. Steve Hofmeyer and Goedes and people were just going on, Caton McKenzie, but the white people that really knew me, they called me like, what did you say? And I explained to them. Division, you know, and I'll show you something that we must guard against. We must be very, very wary of this. On 21 April, it was originally called Sharpeville Day, where black people were killed like dogs. It has been changed. June 16, where black kids were dying, it has been changed. The Zulus think they've won 16 December, the Afrikaners think they've won. Now, if you are going to deny black people to celebrate with you, then black people should go back to Sharpeville Day and celebrate and memorialize the ones that was killed. June 16. That's not how you build a nation. You build a nation by us coming together. I removed a colored out of parliament. I removed 2 colors out of parliament because I got ashamed when I saw it's only colored members of parliament that appear as. I removed 2 councillors that are colored to put in Juliet Basson and to put in Lorato Matup, so that we can have black, white, and colored. So it can be a blend. I then went to go check what is happening in the city of Cape Town. I realized we've got 5 colored councillors, I think, or 4. I removed the colored councillor, so I put Bongi in, so there can also be a black person there. I put Ivan Botha in as an MEC, so we can also have a white MEC. Is that the actions of a racist? You know, last month I got a list of people that must go somewhere. Abu Dhabi, UAE this week, next week. My office understands now how I work. I said, I want a white person. They went to go get a lady in the Northwest, a scraver, a white. I said, you're going to get me a praise singer from there. You're going to get me a colored dad. I want all races to be included all the time in my office. And they know. When they bring me, go and check the boards. We've got 27 boards. When you have time, go check how did the boards have constituted those boards. Every board except, was it Freedom Park? I think it was only Freedom Park, because there was no white that applied, I think. But all the boards, I make sure that all races, Indian, black, white, colored, is in there. Go, I'm giving you a task, go and see all the 27 boards. I think you're going to find one where there's no white, because on the application, I would have been wrong if I brought somebody that didn't apply. When they fought me, and I lost that fight, it was the PENSEP board. I refused to sign the PENSEP board. I lost that fight. I refused to sign it because there was not a white person there. I refused to sign it, and I was taken to task. I lost that fight because I fought to say, how can there not be a white person here? But we are protecting languages. So I'm trying just to tell you stuff I never get to talk about, so that you must know. We are looking at and trying to fix. where we see there's, because representation matters. I cannot say if somebody made a covenant with God. Who is Gayton McKenzie to come and break the covenant that Afrikaner made with the thing? They said to me, I went to join the Afrikaners. And they took pictures with me. I went to go join the Afrikaners December 16. After that, I invited Afrikaners to come with me, and I put them on the stage there. I didn't ask for permission because I know my boss. The president is the boss of all the ministers. He will understand. And I said to him, President, I made some changes on the program. He says, what changes did you make, Minister? I said, I had to make sure there's also a white person speaking here today. And he says, very good, very good, very good, very good. I'm very proud. And when the president left, you know what he said to me? I'm very proud of what you did, Minister. Now that's me. I want white, black, Indian, colored to be together. You will never build a nation. Let me tell you, in the PA, Charles is white, Ken is black, I am colored. That's why we are one thing. Let me tell you, we love each other. But the reason why the PA is 4,000% is because I understand the Springboks are doing well because Rassie, Sia, as a mix, our blessing in South Africa is if all races come together. So I'm challenging everyone to go and Google all the 27 bots, and you will see. You'll get one or maybe two that we are still going to change. You in PA, I moved out colored people in PA to make space for white people and for black people. Because I don't think it is right if we are not represented. Because there's people like Vilmar, a white lady, she follows me. There's people like Eugene and them, the Botas, they follow me as a leader. I am the leader. Now, people that go door to door as white people, why must they not be represented? And Charles, which is my special advisor, that a lot of work for this party. Kenny did a lot of work, I did a lot of work. So we work together. So to all of you today, I want to say to you, I never said Afrikaners mustn't have the oath. I can't say that. Dan speel ek nou met iets wat tussen die Here is en hulle. But what I was saying to them is, it's dangerous to, in this country, when there's only black functions, only colored functions, only Indian functions. That's where racial hatred gets born. We must all be represented. Beauty in Neisner. When they were telling me we mustn't take beauty, and there was colors there that must become MECs, but they said beauty, we mustn't take beauty. I said, beauty is that woman who always sings when I come here. Yellow Mal. I went to go and get beauty. I said, beauty come. And why I took beauty? So that it can't just be colors. Representation matters. Wit mense wat nie die land verlaat het, is baie belangrik. Black people that has been forgiving of what has been done to us, we're very important. But my job as the Minister of Sport, Social Cohesion, falls under me. So ek moet almal saambring met ons. Wit mense is baie lieflike mense. Swart mense is lieflike mense. Colors is lieflike mense. Indians is lieflike mense. But if we come together, we can build the best nation ever. Lastly, Patriots, I just want to congratulate. We have thought long and hard about this. We've thought very long and hard about this. Who is it that we want to lead Pretoria? Pretoria has not really grown. And Tshwane. Tshwane is a place where there's also a lot of infighting that used to happen. I don't know if it's still happening. But we could never grow. If you look at Tshwane, if you look at Tshwane, compare Tshwane to Ekurhuleni. Ekurhuleni has grown from one councillor to, I think they have, how many councillors now? 4 or 5 councillors? They've grown. But Tshwane is one place, we must be honest, as the Patriotic Alliance. We have not really grown according to what is possible. We have grown in Easterus. But have we grown in Mamelodi? Have we grown in Soshanguve? Have we grown in Atteridgeville? Have we grown in Hammanskraal? No, we've not. We have not. So we are going to redo the whole process of councillors as the NEC, together with the leadership there. We are taking over Tshwane now. We will decide as the NEC who is going to be the mayors. We are taking full control of Tshwane as the NEC. And tonight, we are announcing the councillor candidate. Sorry, the mayoral candidate. And everyone there, together with the mayoral candidate, we will announce a councillor in every ward. And I'm inviting particularly black people that want to join the PA and want to stand for the PA. Can you please make contact with this person that I'm going to mention now? So that we're going to, as the leadership, the way we build this party to 4,000%, that's where we want to take Tshwane. Tshwane is very, very important. Tshwane is very, 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 very important to the process of the PA. We are going to take over Tshwane. We've listened to nonsense for too long. We are now going to build it from scratch. And we have looked at a suitable person that loved the party. But before you love the party, some of you love the party, but you don't love people. It's like loving a man and hate his mother, or loving a woman and hate her mother. So I want to congratulate Eketsang Modisana wa Moreana. Bishop, you are our new mayoral candidate for Tshwane. The party will talk to you tomorrow. I will meet with you tomorrow myself. The DSG will tell you where to meet me. But you are our councillor candidate for Tshwane. We are highly, highly, so we want to congratulate you. And you have done so well since you joined the PA. We've seen how much you love the PA. Tshwane, uri sebeletse Ntate Modisana wa Morane. Ntate Morane, Bishop, we put our trust in you. We're going to go to every ward and announce our councillors. Then, I'm not even going to beat around the bush. PA is, there's a lot of people like photographers, like petrol money and stuff like that, that people pay for when they pay their levies. When we pay our levies, that money gets used to pay the people in the offices, to pay for officers, to pay for all of that. And then there's people that just refuse to pay outright. We have now, we've spoken about it, some people just refuse to pay. A small percentage. So we've taken action. The first action we've taken is against the member of the legislature in the Northern Cape. We've removed him. And today I want to, but he's not he's the first one. We're coming one by one to see who has not paid the levies. We will remove them right here. So he has been removed. I'm pleased today to announce the new member of the legislature in the Northern Cape, which is Leader Lydia Brussel. Congratulations, Leader Lydia Brussel. I want to congratulate you. I want to congratulate you. So, like Ntate Elethang Modisana Wamorana, congratulations, Ntate Elethang. I think you can take us from strength to strength, Bishop. I also want to congratulate Lydia Brussel. She is our new member of the provincial government in the Northern Cape. We don't play anymore. We are moving. So I want to say to the apostle, please keep on building the PA. Just as we are putting you now, both of you, we will take you out. There's no time to play. Our people don't need our egos. They don't need our attitudes. They need our helping hands. And I want to say to you guys, thank you very much. I want to congratulate you for what you've done for the PA. Thank you very, 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 very much. You know, I'll tell you a story just to end this, that I remember when we started the PA sometime, we had to buy T-shirts, and then Leader Marlon called me to say I must send money for T-shirts. And somehow I didn't open the message. But when I opened the message, I'm like, wow. Yo, he asked me 4 days ago already. So when I got to PE, the people were wearing T-shirts. I said, but where did you get T-shirts? He told me. I sold my machines. I had machines here and I bought T-shirts. That's the love people have for this party. Leader Marlon never said, what can this party do for me? He went to hit some machines there, upholstery machines. Ek sien nie daai man soos upholstery, maar ek gaan nie daaroor praat nie. He had some machines there that he sold to buy T-shirts. And that is the love people have for this party. And something for years I never forget. Even as Malami Narmak, I still love him. Because he's my brother and he's my leader. But never forget, we only have us. They will try everything to blacken my name. They will accuse me of everything. But don't worry about me. And don't jump when people accuse you of stuff. When they accused me last year, all the newspapers, I didn't say anything. I knew my time will come. So the NEC has taken over Tshwane. And we are going to take over every area. And I know the Northwest and Mpumalanga and Limpopo, you're waiting for us. Next week, we are announcing your leadership in those areas. I love you guys. Salute.